Welcome back to another video from Hyblock Capital, where we decode data, read market sentiment, and deliver it straight to your screen. Let's talk about some of the recent developments shaking up the financial space. Trump and Musk locking horns on social media. And all this happening while the market braced for non-farm payroll data. The result? Turbulence across the board, and Bitcoin was no exception. But BTC recovered quickly, thanks to a positive surprise in the payroll numbers. Actuals beat forecasts. Now let's get into the real data. The order book has been flashing bearish signs lately. We're seeing a high ask imbalance, which means supply is outweighing demand. In the past, similar spikes in ask imbalance often lined up with local tops, as highlighted right here on the chart. But is this imbalance only present at the 5% order book depth? We ran the screener across multiple depth levels, and guess what? Almost every level shows the same ask dominance. That's a red flag. The spot order book is clearly under pressure. So how are retail traders reacting? Retail long percent is sitting at the 24th percentile. That's lower than average. But here's the twist. Open interest is at the 81st percentile, a much higher than usual level. Could this mean retail is loading up on shorts? Meanwhile, top traders are doing the opposite. Their average leverage delta has flipped back to positive, suggesting they're adding long exposure after the dip. Retail is headed east. Whales are moving west, but we can't ignore the order book signal. So let's dig deeper, using time grid in 3D mode. We plotted retail long percent alongside order book 5% and 20% depth. That red bubble? That's the current timestamp, and it's still showing as an outlier. Finally, let's scan the open interest heat map for nearby support and resistance. BTC is currently hovering between 105K and 107K, a range it's visited before. If it breaks upward, watch for resistance at 109K and beyond. On the downside, 103K stands as the next support. So to sum up, the order book is heavy, retail seems cautious, whales are stepping in, and BTC is testing key zones. Make sure you stay ahead of the game by using the tools and indicators available right here on Hyblock. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and keep exploring our tools. Stay sharp, stay strategic, and don't just follow the crowd. Trade ahead of it.